It is day 2 of being here at Summit Point Motorsport Park for the HPDE. We are really excited for today because we're more used to the track, more familiar with it. Hopefully we can go a little bit faster, push the cars a little bit harder. Yeah, so let's go trackside again. Just want to get some footage, just enjoy it. Hopefully we'll be here for the majority of the day because we still have a 6-hour drive home, so. That Type R's been doing really well. Focus. Oh my god, that makes me proud. G80's been really impressive too. And this little 964. I actually was able to go out on the skid pad this morning with one of the instructors in his M4 Dynan pack. I'm going to enter that clip here. It was actually really cool. And I learned a lot just about the skid pad and the purpose of it and how to initiate, not drifting, but controlled driving and going against understeer and whatnot. And it was just fun to be in there. So the Cayman R still seems to have problems with the mass airflow sensor. We're still trying to get it to fully pull up right now. So we're waiting, gonna get the car hot again, and then come back in and open up the hatch. So as far as the Cayman R, Dan has said that he can drive it, he just can't be in sport mode. So he's out on the skid pad right now. We're gonna see how he's doing.
You don't know how many times I burnt myself, didn't even know.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Alright, now we wait for it to cool off. They're all broke. Everyone I seem to get to, all the air filters are broke. But now we're gonna have a very dirty air filter that was over oiled a while back ago. Now we're going to attempt to clean a little bit of the mass airflow, which never works. But maybe we can get through the rest of the day without him going in limp mode.
So he can drive it in sport mode.
Yeah, he's got a short on the hot film side of the mass airflow. So a lot of oil everywhere. So we're gonna go to the parts store and get some handy dandy mass airflow cleaner and spray this thing.
Oh, we're going to the store now?
Yep.
Okay. Just filled that Cayman S with gas. He's heading back out on track. Dan's finishing up the Cayman R. We picked up some mass airflow cleaner. Just cleaned it as much as we could. We'll check back in a little bit and see. For now, we're gonna check on the Cayman S right now. Trying to avoid the rain a little bit. Our tent setup looks so good. It looks so good. I've actually been really impressed with those E92s. I didn't think those were going to be good track cars, but it's doing pretty well, especially that gray and that white one. They're holding it very nice. There was a G80 M3 that almost crashed on the skid pad. There was an E46 that crashed on the skid pad. Trying to just find a temporary solution for the rest of the day. We only have a couple hours. So until then, until we can get a new air filter and mass airflow sensor, we're just cleaning everything and really hoping that he can go back into sport mode and doesn't have to just do normal comfort mode.
I'll worry about that clamp at the end. I can get to it. Now. And my fingers and your fingers. Boop. Come on.
Alright, so Cayman R is done for the weekend. It's gonna be at the shop getting a plethora of new things. The battery reset didn't go well, so it's gonna be put on the trailer and heading back to the shop for a lot of TLC. I forget to mention that MAF, the airflow sensor, was 2 years old. Dan pulled it off of another car because his original one blew out on the track, so we were able to get another one. And that's why it's gone out so quickly. So, time for a brand new OE one. A good session yesterday. Hate that it's not trackable today. Hey, it's me from present day. I wanted to make something very clear. And I don't think I did that yesterday, and I'm sitting there editing the video and I didn't really think about it. Dan works very, very hard to make sure that there's not just a band-aid solution and a temporary fix. He wants to find the actual problem and put the actual solution to it. And he works very, very hard every single day to do that. Obviously, it's a little bit harder to do that when we're 6 hours away from the shop and Cayman R parts are not in stock. So cleaning the MAF was obviously not going to cut it, but we wanted to try it because we wanted our client to really enjoy the rest of the track weekend. He had a really, really good session on Saturday and wanted to continue that hot streak on the Sunday, but unfortunately it just was not the case. And like I said earlier, the sensor was 2 years old. Dan pulled that from another Cayman R on track a couple of years ago when he blew his out. So Dan pretty much just did MAF organ donation right then and there on the track. And that's something that he really is good at doing, just full trackside service and really finding the problem and putting the correct solution on it. Not just a band-aid, but the actual solution. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Dan. But yeah, I don't think I made that very clear yesterday. I was also very, very tired. But yeah, back to the video. Right now they're going to be working on a no brake exercise. So just kind of cruising through the corners and controlling it. We got the GT4 out there right now. You can see it's pretty slow, but again, no brakes are allowed on this session because you gotta learn how to drive your car without any brakes. I love that E36 and I love that M2 and that E90 is doing really well. That guy ripped off his bumper. That's got a lot of dents in it. You guys are interested in trackside services, prep, transport, and all that good stuff, please feel free to reach out to us over phone, email, or shoot us a DM on Instagram. We'll be happy to discuss anything and everything that you guys need. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. We are heading back home now. I think the day is kind of coming to an end slowly. We've got a huge 6-hour drive ahead of us, so this week's gonna be interesting. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.